Hey everyone, I'm Chris from Tire Supply Network. What do these items in front of me have in common? Well, Tire Supply Network has them on sale all December long. Let's get right into it. All right, first item up is the Prima PR110 radial patch. You get 2 boxes, 40 patches in total for $55. Now that's an okay deal on a good patch, but to make it a good deal on a good patch, we're gonna throw in a free can of 8-ounce Prima cement. Next up, it's the track jack and the optional roller plate. Now we've been getting DMs and comments. What is the roller plate? Well, the roller plate is this black plate with the rollers on it. Now what it does, it spins the tire on the track jack to help line up those lug holes. I think it is a must-have tool for shops that are using floor jacks or any DIYers who are regularly taking off their tires. Now you can get the two combined together for $210 all December long. Next up is the Fast Lock Jack Block. This replaces your jack stand, fits about any floor jack, has a 3.5-ton capacity, extends to over 13.5 inches, compresses down to about 8.5 inches, is a low profile so it fits in any toolbox drawer, and it can be yours for $125. Plus auto tape weights. If you haven't tried them yet, no better time than now. Let me tell you why. For $120, you get a 1/4 ounce box, 1/2 ounce box, and 1 ounce box of silver or black shipped right to your door. So that does it for Tire Supply Network's December sales preview, but keep your eyes out because we're going to get into the nitty-gritty details of all these products all month long. You can head over to TireSupplyNetwork.com right now and shop all our deals. I'm Chris. Thank you for watching.